Hello and good morning, friends. Today we're going to be taking a look at a septic system from 1989. We don't know what we're walking into, so it's going to be really interesting to see what do we find, how does this house look, is everything working? That's the magic question that everybody wants to know about. So first what we're going to do is we're going to talk about the records. We're going to see what the design spec of this property is, what's it supposed to look like, how was it built, when was it built. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go out actually in the backyard and take a look, open everything up, see what it is, and hopefully we find no problems. So let's get into it. I'll see you in a few seconds when we go through the records. Alrighty, so we're gonna be looking at the records today for this property. So we can see here that we have a 1,500-gallon tank with a distribution box and 2 trenches. Each of these trenches is gonna be 50 feet long, and then they're gonna be about 7 feet deep with 5.5 feet of stone. So we know that that's what we're looking for. So we're gonna look over here to the map, all right? So we can see the house right here, the tank right there, and then these little dotted lines are gonna be the trenches. These squiggly lines, that's gonna be the topography of the property, right? So the reason that the county is gonna put that in there is so that we can make sure that the drain fields are running on contour with the hill. You don't wanna have any kind of drain fields running downhill, as that can cause all sorts of problems. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, pop open the tank. We're gonna take a look in the distribution box, see if we can locate these drain fields and see, is this map accurate to what we find on the property? So what we can see over here is we have our 4-inch cleanout for the distribution box. This is gonna be our concrete riser and the 6-inch PVC cleanout over the front of the septic tank. So in our area, you'll always see these 6-inch cleanouts. It'll either be made of cast iron, terracotta, or PVC. Now, Baltimore County is very, very consistent, and you will almost always have one of these on every single tank, so if you don't see it, more than likely it's buried just below the surface. These risers are also incredibly super common for Baltimore County properties. Nowadays, for new systems that are installed, you're going to see these on every single tank, right? Back in the day, in the 80s and the 90s, they weren't always required, except for in Baltimore County. Over here, we're going to see the access point to the distribution box. So we know that this distribution box was actually replaced in 2019, and by code, you're required to have a 4-inch observation port on that box. Nowadays, you're actually required to have that same kind of manhole riser ring on the distribution box. Now, the distribution box is going to be what basically dissipates all the water into the drain fields. So we can see what I'm doing right now is I'm getting everything ready to actually start opening up the septic system to see what we're working with. So we go ahead and take this here hook, take that concrete lid right on off. They're kind of hard to do by hand, so you kind of need this hook in order to do it. Now we're going to start pulling out the interior lid. So in our area, you'll usually see that first lid on top. There will usually be a second lid underneath. And the reason that's there is so that way if somebody happens to fall through, break the main lid, there's a safety lid underneath to keep you from falling into 5 feet worth of sewage. Kind of sucks if you were to go inside. So we've got all of our access points off, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take a look inside the tank. We're going to see what all we're working with. So we can see here that on the inside of this riser, we can see a little bit of soil intrusion and some roots. So these concrete rings are very prone to root intrusion as well as soil intrusion. The reason why is that it's going to be a flat surface. Usually nowadays, if you have concrete, it's going to have a bevel to it. So we're going to go ahead and toss the camera inside the tank, and we're going to see what all we're working with. So right now we are faced towards the home. We can see that the interior front baffle is partially falling apart. Not the end of the world, but we can see that the back baffle has been replaced with PVC. The rest of the concrete wall looks like it's in pretty good shape. Right now, again, we are upside down, so the bottom is going to be the top of the tank, and then the top of the screen is actually going to be the scum layer. So these back baffles are super important. Basically, its sole purpose is to keep all that floating scum from getting into the pipe and causing clogs, right? So if you don't have that there, you do run the risk of all the toilet paper, fats, hairs, greases, etc. getting into the pipe and causing a clog. Those clogs can cause backups, which are never fun. Nobody wants to have that. So now we've looked inside the tank, we see what we're working with as far as the composition, the integrity of the baffles. Now what I want to start doing though is I want to start breaking apart that scum, right? So how I'm going to figure out how much water I've got discharging is I'm going to take a known bucket, like this 5-gallon bucket, that stopwatch that I just showed, and then I'm going to start the timer, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that hose in the bucket until we get to the 5 gallons, and then I can do some math. So there's 2 parts for why I'm running some water in here. The first part is to break the scum layer apart just a little bit so that way I can actually get a good accurate measurement of the sludge on the bottom. But the other purpose of this is so that way I can make sure I can do a hydraulic load. So I've covered hydraulic load tests in a previous video, but essentially the purpose of the hydraulic load is to make sure that everything's flowing good, everything's moving to the drain fields, and the drain fields are actually dissipating that liquid into the ground, right? So the easiest way to make sure that the pipe between the tank and the distribution box is clear and open is I can calculate how much water I'm putting in, and I should see an equivalent volume of water reaching the distribution box. If it's not, or if something's different, that means that something might be going on with the outlet line, which is the pipe between the two. So this black bag that I have right here is going to be my sludge judge. This is going to be how I measure to see how full the tank is. So this is very important that anytime you have your tank pumped, serviced, or checked out by a professional, they should always be looking to see how full is the tank, right? This is the most accurate way to figure out, is it time to pump the tank or not? Basically what it is like a straw with a ping pong ball in it. And you can see here that we've got a little bit less than a foot of sludge in the bottom. That's pretty good. So we're going to measure a couple more times, right? Usually I try to measure about 2 to 3 different times so that way we can get a nice average of how full this tank is. The general practice in our area is once you get to about 30% of total solids, that's when it's going to be about time to get it pumped out. The reason why is, let's just say you have a 5-foot total liquid depth tank, you've got 60 inches. The back baffle in the back of the tank is actually going to go down into the water about 18 inches. So if you have about 20 inches of solids in the bottom, now you run the risk of that debris working its way into the absorption system and causing problems. I also like to rinse off my sludge judge every time I get done, because if you start putting it back in that bag over the course of that summer heat, it can make your van smell pretty bad. So it's always a good idea to make sure you rinse everything off. And then I like to clean off the interior of the riser just so I don't have any kind of debris sitting around in there and leaving a messy workspace, right? So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure we pop off the access cap to the distribution box. And the reason I want to do this, again, is so that way I can see, is the water that's flowing from the tank actually getting to the box at the same level, right? If it's not, that means we have a problem with the pipe. So how I do this is I go ahead and stick a mirror and flashlight right on in there. And then what I'm going to be looking for is I'm going to see, what does the box walls look like? Is there a baffle in place? And does it look like there's even distribution to both of the drain fields? And I also want to confirm that yes, there are 2 drain fields. So when we look inside this box, you're going to see holes, right? These holes are going to lead to the drain fields, and usually they're going to be blocked up with what's called a speed leveler. Basically, it's a hockey puck with a hole. This is how most of the installers in the area will actually level out the box itself. So what they do is they put this puck into the pipe and they rotate it, and then that makes it to where the water evenly disperses into the trenches. So we can see inside of here that there's a good bit of debris working its way from the tank into the distribution box. Now, this either means A, they waited too long to replace the back baffle, or B, they are going too long between pumping. So that debris is actually what works its way out of the tank and into the drain fields and can cause all sorts of problems. So now that we've got everything open, we have our baseline. The next step, what we're going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and try and find the drain fields for sure. So we know off the base records that we received that they're going to be basically directly in line with the tank. So because there's no obvious access points and there's no observation points, what I do is I start at where I would believe the trench to be, and then I move every foot probing down the hill. In this area, most of these trenches are going to be between 2 and 3 feet wide, so by moving every foot, the odds of me hitting the trench is pretty high. There is, of course, always the chance that I could miss, at which point then I would just start over a little bit higher up the hill and then work my way back down. Right here we can see that I'm actually hitting the stone, so what I'm looking for is what kind of feels like a gravelly feeling, right? These drain fields, how they're constructed, are going to be, like I said, 2 to 3 feet wide, 6 to 10 feet deep, and about 50 to 100 feet long. When they fill these trenches with stone, it's going to be number 2 limestone, and then they're going to put a perforated pipe. So as the water goes from the tank to the distribution box, it will evenly disperse into these drain fields, and the perforated pipe makes it to where the water can get out of the pipe and into the stone slash sand, right? The stone's just kind of there to open the soil up, so it's got some room to go, right? If you don't have any kind of stone, you're going to run into some issues where you don't get proper drainage. So we see that everything's flowing correctly. We've got our good little overview real quick. So we got our tank open, everything looks good there. We've got our distribution box, and these are going to be where the 2 drain fields are. So we got the probe to the left and the flashlight to the right. The drain fields are going to run that way towards the wood line. So we're going to go ahead and run that water for a little bit longer just to make sure everything's draining correctly and it's working the way that it ought to. So after about 45 minutes of running the water, everything was going fine. The water was going into the drain fields the way it was supposed to. Nothing was backing up, nothing was surfacing. I'm happy with that. It's time to go ahead and wrap up this here hose. So my favorite type of hose is going to be the red one from Ace Hardware. And usually what I do is I let it sit in the sun for a little bit to make it a little bit easier to wrap up. I found that the Home Depot ones are hot garbage. So if you have to choose between a Home Depot brand hose or a different hose, go with Ace Hardware. So much better. Now, we've got all this squared away. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to make sure that everything else is fine with the piping. So how we do that is we're going to take this here camera and we're actually going to put it into the pipes and we're going to see what are we working with. So this sewer line is going to be PVC and it's going to come straight from the basement straight into this tank. And it should be a pretty much smooth, clear pipe, hopefully. So when we run the camera through here, what I'm looking for are roots, cracks, breaks, clogs, any of that good stuff. In 1989, usually it's going to be PVC, so most of the stuff's going to be in pretty good shape, but you always want to double check with a camera. If you're looking to get an inspection done on your septic system, it's always a good idea to spend that little bit of extra money to go with a company who has a camera so that way they can actually see what's going on and show you what your pipes look like. This is also incredibly important if you ever have to do any kind of like insurance claims or something like that, because now you have the before and after. I've had plenty of times where a fencing contractor puts a little bit too close with the auger and they put a hole or crack the pipe. Or maybe they could also be backfilling. See all those stones that are behind me? Well, somebody had to drive that there, right? So if you have a dump truck or if you have some kind of large equipment moving those stones, it is very possible that you could crush and concave that pipe. You also have to keep in mind that pipe is going to be transporting solids, right? So every time you flush that toilet, run the sink, bathtub, garbage disposal, you name it, all that good stuff's going to the tank, right? So if you have a crack or any kind of obstructionary point, you do run the risk of getting a clog. Clogs are not fun. So we always try to suggest using the camera so that way everybody knows what's going on, you get a good baseline, and you know from day one that you don't have any kind of issues with your pipe. So this sewer line looks like it's in pretty good shape. So you can see over here that what I'm doing is I'm pressing a whole bunch of buttons. With our inspections, what I usually do is I also take still shots so that way I can write you a little report to tell you what all we're working with. So this sewer line went straight to the cap inside the home, so we know that we've made it all the way there. So time to pull this one on back. Usually what I'm looking for when I'm pulling the camera back is maybe there's something that I could have missed on the way into the house, right? Let's just say that you have a joint, and as you're going towards the joint, you can't see it because there's sludge. But as you push through it, and then you come back, you've cleared off that sludge, and you might have a better chance of actually seeing what's going on. So I always recommend to look both forward and backwards when you're recording. Now you can get these cameras at any of the rental centers. They're really easy to work with. They're not super cheap, at least in our area, but you could get one for between 100 and 200 bucks for the day, and then you'll be able to see exactly what you've got going on in your sewer line. Super easy, super important though. Now that we've gone ahead and we've finished everything, we know this system's in pretty good shape. I'm curious below, if you can leave me a comment, tell me, when you bought your house, did you get an inspection done? How did the inspection go? Were they using a camera? Were they using a mirror? Maybe they were using a sludge judge, maybe they were doing a dye test. Leave a comment below, tell me. I'm very curious to see what you guys found. So this part's usually my favorite part because that means that we're done all the hard work, and so then we gotta go ahead and clean up. So when I'm doing this, what I'm also doing is I'm taking notes and I'm keeping an eye on if anything changed after I got done, right? Septic systems come in such a variety of shapes, colors, sizes, all different things that are going on inside of them. So every inspection is going to be a little bit different. So if you ever see that somebody's doing something different between one inspection to the next inspection, it's going to be because your system might have some slight variations that you couldn't do on the previous system. Or maybe the other system was different to where you couldn't do what you were doing on this inspection. So hopefully, while I'm doing all of these videos for you guys, you're able to see maybe how other people do these inspections so you get a good idea of what you can expect when you go to purchase a home, or if you have somebody inspect your septic, or if, let's just say, for example, you're going and applying for a pool permit, right? In our area, if you're applying for a pool, they're going to make you, the county being they, is going to make you have somebody inspect it and flag out where is everything, right? And the reason why is so that we don't end up slapping a pool directly on top of your septic. Happens so often, but a lot of the counties have started cracking down because of it. Don't end up being that guy. So now that everything's done, you can see here I have my labeled flags. what we're going to do is we're going to go to all these different spots and we're going to flag it. I like to do this, and I think that all inspectors and septic contractors or even well contractors should be doing this. If you're done or if you're working on a property, you should always flag and label everything. 1, so that way the homeowner knows you were there. And 2, so that way if they forget what you talked about 5 minutes ago, they have a physical representation before they even get the report to tell them where their stuff's at. They're dirt cheap flags. If your contractor doesn't have them, go ahead, offer some and ask them to do it for you. Now that was definitely a fun run of inspecting everything, right? I hope that you found this entertaining and insightful, right? Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't, who knows? I'm very curious to read those comments below. Leave your stories. This is a time for us all to talk and join and learn together, right? If you enjoy this kind of content, I have more videos posted every day on the World of Well and Septic. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, right? What are you waiting for? Till next time, guys.